112th webinar, a weekly online lecture series, Engineers Talk, being organized on Wednesday every week by IEI Salem Local Center to empower the young minds. I would like to invite the chairman, IEI Salem Local Center, and National Council member of IEI, Engineer S. Loganathan, sir, to welcome the gathering. Please, sir.
Thank you, sir. Very good evening to all. So, thank you, Engineer Aramunga, sir, for hosting this every week webinar. So, we are very happy that our Salem Local Center, the Institution of Engineering, organizing 112th webinar lecture on a very important topic on medical devices manufactured in India. So far we have not touched the medical field. I think as for my rumors, it's a new one, especially both the medical field and manufacturing field combined together. So on this occasion, very good evening to all the members, those who have joined, all the committee members, and Honorary Secretary Dr. R. Sadish Kumar sir, and today's guest lecture, Chief Guest Engineer Vasanta Victor, Founder CEO, Anchor Medical Devices. I think his office is located in Salem itself, and he is also doing the services in the medical field also. So we are having one of the different guests this time. So hope we will expect both engineering and medical mixed together. We will get this lecture. So on this occasion, I invite you, sir, for the today's chief guest, medical devices manufacturing in India. Welcome, Mr. Engineer Vasant Victor. Also, the topic is very important considering the human habitation. So nowadays the medical care has been entirely changed. Now from the hospital care to the home care is upcoming, especially for the elderly people. So we are using the different type of medical devices in the day-to-day activity, both in the hospital as well as in the medical care elsewhere in the rehabilitable center, homes, everywhere we are using the different type of medical instruments. So hope our today's chief guest, Engineer Vasant Victor, will enlighten us on this topic of medical devices manufacturing in India. For all the members participated here. So once again, I welcome you, all the committee members and members joined here, and also the chief guest, Engineer Vasant Victor. Okay, sir. Welcome you all, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you for welcoming everyone. And now it's my pleasure to introduce Engineer Vasant Victor, the chief guest and the keynote speaker of 112th webinar. Engineer Vasant Victor graduated in medical electronics engineering in the year 2018. He has started as a freelance marketer for Iatom Electric India Private Limited by telemarketing. He then became technical sales engineer for direct sales for Trichy region for a group of companies. He then became business analyst and senior sales manager. He has worked as sales manager in Ababil Healthcare for the entire Kerala region. He is now the founder manager, sales and corporate relations of Anchor Medical Devices. He is actively involved in Business Network International BNI India as regional event coordinator, secretary, treasurer, and vice president in the course of time. With these words of introduction, I would like to invite Engineer Vasant Victor to present on the topic medical devices manufacturing in India. Please, sir, over to Engineer Vasant Victor.
So thank you, Armugam sir. It was a great introduction, by the way. Thank you so much. And first, let me share my screen. So I think my screen has been visible now.
Yes,
Yes.
it is visible.
Yes. Thank you. Thanks for confirmation. So, very good evening to all engineers. So, you people have been very fantastic because I think while giving the introduction, they have told like 119th meeting you are having online today. And being consistently for 119 weeks is not a small thing. So, you people are tremendous, and that's why still it has been a name for Institute of Engineers. So, I'm glad to be here today with the topic of medical devices manufacturing here in India. So first, let me give a small introduction as Armugam sir told. So myself, my name is Vasant Victor, and I'm a graduate of medical electronics engineer. And I'm a student of our secretary engineer Satish Kumar sir. So I'm a happy student of him. And yes, so now let's get into the subject directly. So first, I have started my career in sales industry. So, like 5 to 10 years back, when we talk about medical devices industry in India, so if you ask to any person who are working in a medical devices industry, so what they will tell is like to earn something in India with medical devices, you have to do import. You have to import and export the medical equipments. So from another country because the infrastructure here in India was not that much great. And to start an infrastructure in India, again, that is a very big headache previously. And thankfully, now government has came across many scrutiny and many very good policies, initiatives for new companies, new budding companies. So government has given many measures to improve the Make in India for from India. Now many companies have been developed and doing very great projects across the globe. So that is very great achievement. And let us look into today's presentation. It is almost like between 7 to 10 minutes. I'll be handling this presentation. So with this presentation, let me quickly go through what all things today we'll be talking is why we have to manufacture in India, what are the scopes we have in Indian manufacturing industry, and what are the export opportunities we have in medical devices industry, and what are the upcoming trends in medical industry, and most importantly, how to set up a manufacturing unit. So that is very much important of the today's topic, that is how to set up a manufacturing unit, what are the documentations you need, and who's the right person to contact with, and all those details we'll be discussing this for like 10 minutes. So let me quickly get into the subject. So yes, India is the fourth largest Asia manufacturer of medical products. So when you look into the previous year, around like 2020 and all, the CAGR will be around 8%, 9%. But gradually after the COVID, so many companies, many young minds have started their own companies, started their manufacturing units in India. And now the India has been known for its quality of medical equipments manufacturing across the world. So there are many manufacturers where they are. Yes, Vijay Kumar sir, you have raised your hand. Any questions you have, you can. No. Yes. So I'll go through. Yes, sir. So the post COVID, there is India has become like a hub of manufacturing medical equipments after China. So not only for other electronics market, but also for medical devices. Post COVID, next to China, India is booming its medical manufacturing processes because many young minds and many technical peoples are coming up with many ideas, and put together government is also giving many measures to improve the manufacturing efforts of the citizens. So this is the small graph, like you can see what is the growth potential what we have for the next few years. It is going to almost, the CAGR is going to be reaching like 80.5% in very few days. around 2030 something. So we'll be reaching that. So why you have to talk like, yes, this is like it is like an evergreen market, because for an health like how to yes, for an well settled economy, the backbone of the country will be health and the wellness of the citizens. So one is food and another one is health. So these two sectors of field is going to be a very great for next 20 to 25 years. So this is not going to get down. So it is going to be always on high only. So this is the right time for you to think on investing or to start your career in manufacturing of medical devices in India. So you can motivate your fellow friends or you can motivate your fellow students and you can help them to build their own industry. So let us see why we have to talk about India. So in India, there are four reasons I have found out. So first one is increasing of demand. So we all know the population of India, so which is very high, and the required facility to meet the population is very low. So in order to increase that required facility, we need more medical devices, many health setups we need. So there is an increase of demand. So, and this increasing of demand is projected to reach by 4.33 crores. That is almost like 50 billion US dollars by 2030. You will not believe me, but trust me, this is going to happen. So that is going to, that will be always on high, but it will not get down. So, and the diagnostic equipments is also being boomed, and pharma equipments and also it is very booming. So there is an increase of demand. So the next one is the opportunity of export. Uh, so India is, we know India is very friendly nation with diplomatic nation with many other countries. So we, though we have many criticisms against the central government, but to be honestly speaking, so when we talk about export, when you are coming from India, many countries are giving like their hands to welcome you to invest on them, and they are ready to buy products from India. So the main thing is because of the efforts what the government has put through. And another thing is the quality of products what we started manufacturing. Because next to China, the quality and price conscious market, everybody is coming into India. So there is always there is an increasing opportunity in export of medical equipments also. So there are many countries we'll be talking later. So we'll see what are countries we are going to export, and we are already exporting. What are the market shares we have in global health market? We'll be discussing later. So the next one is policy support. So as I said earlier, before like 15 year, 10 to 5 to 10 years back, there was many changes. So it was very traditional way. So there was no update for new technologies. By from 2016 onwards, government has put in for they have taken many measures to initiate the medical equipments and pharma products in India. So that has been a very big initiative taken from in our country. So that is the policy support. They have made many leniency and many scrutinies to ensure the quality of the products what we supply to the globe, because all the products what we do is on health products. So we have to be very conscious on what we do. So that is why government is very keen on that also. So the policy support what they have given is very good actually. And they also accept like 100% foreign development investment also. So neither than any other field like other than education, so government is not ready, will not allow you for 100% FDI, but in health they are ready to do for 100% FDI. We all know about JICA and many other companies. They're like many other countries. Japan is investing on Indian rural sectors for developing their health sectors. So that is like it is a very huge amount of investment also. So that policies government has lenient. So all these opportunities we have, and the final thing is increasing of investment. So many other VCs, venture capitalists of many other countries, they are ready to invest in India So if you are from Indian based medical equipments manufacturer, so you may have a small setup, but if you have a steady and good quality of products, they are ready to buy from you and they are ready to invest on your product. So neither of many thing, we have received like many like around 33,410 crores of investment inflow alone. So, and again, the foreign, that union budget, central government has also given a huge amount of sanction on medical equipments manufacturing industry. Not only on medical equipments manufacturing, but also that also includes diagnostics and pharma based investments also. So these are all the four reasons why you have to invest in India. So let us quickly go through what all the market we have. And before getting into market, I just want to classify I want to give a classification of medical devices. So there are four classifications of medical devices. Unlike any other classifications of industry, we have four classification: Class A, Class B, Class C, and Class D. So where Class A is a low risk equipments or low risk products, and Class B is a moderate risk and moderate risk products, and Class C, moderately higher risk product, like such as like anesthesia machines, ventilators. So all those things which get into like invasive products, that comes under Class C product. And again, Class D is completely high risk products, where you want to manufacture or you want to develop a product with utmost care. So development process is also tedious, and a research process is tedious, development process is tedious, and again implementation process is also very tedious, and because of its high risk nature, such as like catheter, what you use in cardiovascular kits, and all those things are higher risk products where it gets directly into the blood vessels and these things. So that needs utmost care. So that all those things falls under Class D of equipments. Say for example, like heart lung machines, where for an open heart surgery, you're going to stop your entire natural function of your body and directly connect your function of heart and lung through a device. So your body is going to function entirely based on the equipment what you connect there. So that is the very high risk product. So similar to the products are classified into Class D of products. So main thing what we need to note when you want to start a company is what type of product you're going to manufacture. So Class A, Class B, Class C, or Class D, which product, which classification does your product match in? So first that thing you have to very note down. So, and this is the CAGR graph for medical devices market in India. So, as I told earlier, so by 2013, the compound annual growth rate will be around 80.5% in 2030. So that is entirely from India alone. So this market includes again pharmaceutical manufacturing and medical equipments and the surgical equipments manufacturing included, diagnostic, everything has been included, and it is going to be whooping 80.5% of growth. So it has very huge potential, because India is building a very robust manufacturing setups and these things for the globe. So if any company wants to build a product from Germany, they can just give a job work in India and they can make a product at the utmost quality what they want. So how to define the quality of a product, we'll discuss later, I'll tell you. And this is all about why you have to invest in India and what are the reasons and what is the market we have in India. So next we'll talk about like what are the export opportunities. So export opportunities again, as I said earlier, there are a lot of export opportunities we have in India. Earlier, what other countries, Eastern countries, they used to do is they used to get a product from any other country. Say, for example, they want to buy a product from Japan. They'll import the product to India, and a dealer from India will export the product to an African country. So similar to that, that was the earlier kind of operation. But now government has taken a measure why we have to import a product and export to another country? Why don't we manufacture that product in India? So government has taken many measures and given lot of opportunities from loan from basic startup loan to expansion loans and many kind of things government is supporting. And the export market in India is about to grow for 50.7% by 2030. So the compound growth rate will be around 50. That is again, which is 20, 30 times of what we do now. So by the year of 2030, we are going to make it like multiple times of growth what we are doing now. So for export, not only for medical devices, I'll just give you a hint. Not only for medical devices, for anyone who are planning to export any product, there is an association called FEO, so Federation of Export Organization, FEO. So FEO is organizing many seminars, and again, it is a membership based one. But once you get into that, you get a clear vision of getting how to export products to other countries. So by that, like for you, there are many organizations which help you to export your products across the globe on a very minimal margin, many minimal setup cost, and these things. So you have to be very aware. We have lot of opportunities available across us. So that is all up to us who search for the opportunity and pick that opportunity. So this is what all about. Then quickly run through the market analysis. So what will be the growth for medical devices for next few years will be on very few limited thing. So the first one is on robotic surgery and treatment. So everywhere you go across anywhere you go across your street, you may find some hospital will be quoting like they're advertising robotic based surgery, robotic based ortho surgery, knee replacement, and all kind of things, robotic based eye surgery. So robotic surgery and treatment is going to be a next 10 years king of market. So anyone wants to invest money, so you can choose the robotic surgery treatment devices. So that is going to help you to make money. So the next one is the future of healthcare is again smart healthcare. So smart healthcare is nothing but getting all the data, revolutionizing the data with AI. So already I think we have already discussed once on AI. So many times AI will not replace any doctors. So AI is going to assist the doctors to enhance their healthcare delivery. So in according to that, so based on the data available, so you can use the data, manipulate the data in a good way, and we can make a revolution in smart healthcare. So based on that, one example I'll give you. So based on the person's lifestyle from 15 years to 25 years, they can predict your future diseases. So, like your mobile activity, your physical activity, because every phone tracks your physical activity, how many steps you walk. So now you can see insurance companies coming up with an notification. If you walk 10,000 steps a day, we will give you 10 to 15% discount on your next renewal payment. So why they are doing that? Because if you are healthy, they are not going to spend anything. So that is what that is their profit. So using of data is going to be the next more utmost celebration of the next decade. So this is what all about. And we'll see, Gaur, as I said, if you look into my presentation today, many places I would have mentioned government has taken this step, government has taken that step. And I just wanted to tell you why I'm telling this much on government is because they have set up a medical devices park, so for manufacturing. So in almost like all the South Indian states, they have their own medical devices park. So where there are like 15 to 20 companies, manufacturing companies, they are doing on a very big, large scale. So in Tamil Nadu, we have in HLL Medical Park. So in HLL Medical Park, there are companies like Trivitron, Roche. You can see here, you can see in this itself. So Roche, Trivitron Healthcare, Perfint Healthcare, Opto Circuit, Schiller, Appaswamy Associates. So all these are very big key players in Tamil Nadu's economy, and all those players are located in Chennai, inside the HLL Medical Park. So government not only in Tamil Nadu but across all the South Indian countries, South Indian states, and even in Haryana you have Maharashtra. So not only in but in our place, if you want to start in some other state also, you can start, where the many taxation relaxation is also very good when in other states when compared to Tamil Nadu. So yes, we have come to one most important part, that is how to set up an medical devices production unit or manufacturing unit or an assembling unit. So all these three is a very different word, but it sounds similar. So medical devices production unit is very different. Medical devices manufacturer is different. Manufacturing is different, and assembly line is very different. So, but there are very similar process where you have to undergo. So first thing is all about, you have to get into the business. So you have to register your business. So for registering your business in India, you have to do the basic registration, that is GST registration you need to do. So where you will be charged around 2,500 rupees by central government. So that is all the cost about for GST certification. And then the company formation. So there are several processes. You want to start with proprietorship or partnership or private limited company, public limited company. What type of company you want to take forward? So you have to be very clear on that. Say, for example, if you are looking for a venture capitalist, so then, or if you want to get into more investment, you want to attract investors to your company, so definitely you should go with a private limited company. So there are several types of company formations available. So you should be aware about that. And the next important thing is Udayam registration. So what is this Udayam registration? It's nothing but MSME registration. So MSME is an government funded body where they take care about all the startups which is available in India. So more than like I just don't want to tell the numbers, but there are many companies government is registered. This MSME bodies are supporting the many companies, where, like, say for example, if you are taking a loan of rupees 50 lakhs, let's take like 1 crore of loan you're taking. If you are an MSME registered company and you have a good track record of your finance and you have a very good credit score, government is ready to pay for you the entire interest rate. Not only your entire interest rate, but also it gives subsidy for amount what you have got. Say for example, if you have got 1 crore, if you pay 90 to 92 crores pay back to the bank or government, or the finance agency, rest of the amount, and rest of the amount is approximately 8 to 10 lakhs, government will pay for you. And not only that amount, all the entire interest rate for 2 years. So you calculate, let's keep like 1 rupee interest, 12% of interest. What would be the interest for 1 crore? Again, it will be more than 24 lakhs. So all those amount government is ready to give you, and all we have to do is give back to the society. So next is environment. Next important. So MSME, that is Udayam registration, is mandatory to set up an production unit, and environmental clearance certificate. So environmental clearance certificate is nothing but you're setting up your factory in some region, and you have to give assurance to the government that you are cleared to and you are not polluting any of the environment around you. So like water, you're not polluting, the air, you're not polluting, you have to give commitment. So that is their body. You will come and they'll inspect you and they'll give you a certification. And the next is fire safety certification. In case of any fire, how you are handling the fire incident, or how you are going to protect your institute or these things from fire. So there is a fire safety certificate. It has to be given from the government side again. So you have to get that certificate also. And this is the hero of the show, that is ISO 13485 QMS certification. So as I said earlier, why a foreign company has to invest in India is because across, that is international standard of organization. ISO has given a 13485, that is a medical devices manufacturing regulation. So that ISO has been made mandatory to do any product manufacturing in India. So if anybody is doing manufacturing in India, medical devices, ISO 13485 is a mandatory thing to ensure the quality management system. So QMS is being monitored by ISO standards. So the next thing is CDSEO. So the CDSEO certification is like ensuring the number of products what you are doing manufacturing, and it is more similar to the ISO 13485. But CDSU comes under the drug controller of the Indian government. So where you have to it will check whether your all the products has been and comes under the Indian regulations. So this is being monitored by the CDSCO. And again, there will be an inspection coming from central government auditors, and they'll be inspecting your facility anywhere, anytime. So without any prior notice, they'll come and they'll inspect you. So very strict, they'll be very strict on this thing. So CDSCO and ISO 13485 is very important. So, and like any other organization, employee and HR compliance is again very important. So you have to follow the labor laws. So what are the facilities you are giving to your employees? What are the things you are making it for your employees? All those things has to be recorded and been have a set up process. So this is all about today's session. I think I have went so long, and thank you so much, dear engineers. So this is my contact details. If anyone interested or anyone want to know more about medical devices manufacturing, and we are based out of Salem. So we are expanding our manufacturing unit in like around 1,500 square feet. We are adding it now for an assembly line. So if anybody wants to know more about medical devices manufacturing, like investment, any kind of thing, you please feel free to call me or write me to Victor at Anchor Medical Devices. So thank you so much. Thank you, Armugam sir, and thank you, Satish sir. Thank you, Loganathan sir, for inviting me here today. So over to you, sir.
Thank you, sir. And is there any queries from the audience?
Hello, sir. This is Dr. A. Kumaravil.
Yes, Kumaravil sir.
Yes, sir. So I would like to know that. So, what is the basic knowledge record? Is any person can start the manufacturing unit, or relevant knowledge should be
மீட்டிங்
there?
இருக்கு.
Because if I am an entrepreneur, I don't know about the like medical technical medical the field. So can I start the if I in industry like yours?
Yes, sir. See, again, India is a very free country where anybody can start any business. There is no limitations. But there are, like, as I said before, there are few limitations what government has imposed in recent day post-COVID. Because many people, without having any prior knowledge to the field, they are starting their companies and doing many kind of unwanted things and unrelated things, unethical things in the medical field. So government has come up with an very strict policy of if you want to become a medical equipments dealer, or if you want to become a medical equipments manufacturer, you want to get an MD, that is medical devices regulatory certificate. First thing, there is a
Okay.
licensing certificate called MD4, where you have to ensure the government, you have to give written statement to government that you are going to deal with these products. So that registration cost is very reasonable. So, and not just that. So along with that, you need to have someone who has been graduated with life science. So life science in sense, biotechnology, a
Okay.
doctor, MBBS or BDS doctors, pharmacist. So with the help of their, they will be assisting you on all the technical aspects. With the help of them, you can start any kind of medical devices products.
Okay. Acha. So why I am asking is, whether you told that the certification is required, because why I am asking this question is, if I want to start I want to register as a company, right? And I have to proceed with the various certifications, ISO certification, all those things. So at the point of time, the people may ask, authorities may ask whether you have the relevant background on starting this or going for the certifications like that. Because of that, I asked, and you told that the certification is needed. Okay, so where I can do that certification, whether prior training is to be there or any examination is there, or what kind of process to get the certification?
Yes, sir. So in order to get a certification, there is, as I said, like there are various certifications.
Yes.
So right from GST, you can apply from GST portal where
Yeah,
you
yeah.
directly apply. So all these processes you can directly apply by yourself,
Okay.
unless this CDSEO. Even CDSEO again you can apply by yourself, and 13485 also you can apply by yourself. But there are lot of technical things which we need to be followed in all those processes. So what I suggest personally, because you can, one person can't do all the things, right? So
Okay.
for controlling all your GST kind of things, you need a GST practitioner being associated with you first thing. So in order to run smooth of your company, you have to have an pure HR associate with you, so where they can take care of all your HR activities. And next thing is, most important thing is, the you need separate person to follow all the regulations where government will be updating later on. So for implementation and updations of policies, you have to tie up with the companies. So there are regulatory affairs companies. There are many companies, like they are auditors, they'll be running a firm. So you can tie up with your auditor and you can do all those things. You don't want to worry about all these things, but only thing is your auditor has to be good, and he should not hide anything from you, and you also should not hide anything from him.
Okay. Okay. And is it possible to visit your site, or is there any restriction on
So we are always free to visit.
that? Okay.
Yes, you can call me directly, sir, no problem.
Thank you. Thank you. I think thank you so much for your answering for all the queries. And really, I impressed that the set of process, because this is the first time I'm hearing about the process setting up of the medical devices industry, like like a startup, right? Okay. And so, what are all the things to be considered and then needed? So you are clearly explained, and hats up to you. Thank you so much for
Thank you,
presenting this emerging title of that. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you. So, Vasant, this is Loganathan.
Yes,
Uh,
Logan.
how are you? Actually, you are supplying some medical equipment, or you are engaged? I have seen your website. You are take care of that home care like that also. That service also are you providing?
Yes, sir. Actually, we operate on multiple aspects. We are basically, we are a medical equipments dealer, and we have a dealership and distributionship of many companies in the field of ICU, home care, cardiology, and respiratory therapy.
Oh,
So yes, so that is our main.
oh,
We have
very good,
actually.
very good.
And we want to expand our company. So like 1.5 years, almost like we have crossed 2 years. So
Mhm.
back, we have started our manufacturing, and we have started our R&D 2 years back, and slowly we are setting up our factory and all those things.
Which equipment I am particularly you are concentrating, sir?
Sir, we do all the critical care equipments. So in manufacturing, we do baby warmers, that is infant radiant warmers, and LED phototherapy.
Oh,
Yes, and the neonatal ventilators.
okay, very good, very good. So
Yes,
it's very nice to hear your lecture, even though it is very short, but precisely you have explained all the things. Uh, so yeah, I think like Kumaril sir ask you, some of members also want to visit you. So you can, if any help needed by the members, I think we can contact Vasant also. If only any home care arrangements has been required or not.
yes, sir. And again, in Salem, we are one of the well-known home care supplier.
Oh,
So we partnered with the Kaveri Hospital, Manipal Hospital, Dharan
oh,
Hospital,
very good.
Gokulam Hospital.
Both the equipment and the manpower.
Yes, sir. We don't do with manpower actually, because that comes under nursing care and this thing. Again, we have to go for a separate certification for that.
But
So we
without that,
don't.
how can you only supplying the equipment?
Yes, we take care of your equipment support.
Oh, equipment only. So manpower will be separate.
Yeah,
But
manpower is entirely separate.
separate, but you can have tie-up, no?
Yeah, we have tied up, but we will not be directly involving. We'll join in the customer to them directly.
Oh, only you are supplying the like oxygen cylinder or
Exactly.
ECG monitor like that.
Exactly, yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Thank you very much for joining with us and sparing your very valuable time.
Thank you so much, sir.
Sir, and Bhaskaran sir, Joint Director. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir. You can ask.
I'm Dr. Bhaskaran, Joint Director. I'm from Chennai, sir. I'm member of FIE. Sir, you have taken loan, or how you have started, sir? You have taken loan from a bank or through government, like that?
Sir, actually, we are not going, we have just initiated now, but we have a plan to go for a loan when we are scaling up. We have a production capacity now for around like per month, we can able to produce 20 to 25 units now. So when we are reaching a saturation point, maybe around in a couple of years, so we will be expanding our unit. So by that time, we'll be going for a loan. As of now, we didn't go for any loans, sir.
Any extension of loan, you can contact our DIC, sir. Our office is there. You know, District Industry Center.
Yes, sir.
I'm GM of DIC also earlier in Tirupattur, sir.
Okay,
My
okay.
friend Shivakumar is there. So
Okay.
you can contact him for further expansion. You are doing manufacturing now, no? Manufacturing.
Yes.
So if you want to expand, we will give any machine. If you buy 25% subsidy, they will give.
Yes.
For example, any new machine you buy means for that machine, 1 crore means 25 lakh will give free.
Okay.
So like that, we have a capital subsidy and a loan and all through banks we are arranging. Trading, we have UIGP, Prime Minister Employment Generation Needs, lot of loans are there.
Okay.
And I am now in Startup TN, Joint Director. Startup TN, you know, Tamil Nadu.
Yes.
We have conducted a Global Startup Summit at Coimbatore also. So any
I'm a
valuation.
DNI member now, sir. Actually,
Yeah.
I have been for promoting this global startup for first version.
Oh,
So in Salem, through PNI, I have been promoting all those stalls
very
for
good, sir.
here in Salem.
So I'm here Joint Director at Startup TN, my deputation. So
Yes,
any venture capital angel investor also you can contact us, sir. You
Sure,
know,
sure.
Startup TN is there in Coimbatore. And also you can contact. This is not only for you, or for others also. I'm telling who are all participating. So any manufacturing service or business they want to start, they can approach our DAC in Salem. It is in the Coot Road like that, and we have startup also. So a lot of subsidies we are giving, patent, trademark, ISO, like that. So many schemes are there. So you can contact us so that we will.
Sure, sir. I'll call you and I'll come and meet you in person, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. Bhaskaran sir, this is Loganathan. I think
sir. How are you, sir?
Fine, sir. I think we have met in our college. Do you remember me or not? I don't know. I am with
Yes, sir. Yes,
Karthikeyan,
sir. If I
Yes,
see
sir.
your face, I will remember, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We have met many times.
Okay, now I remember, sir.
I am HOD Civil there, and now the chairman of the Salem Local Center. You came for addressing our student many times in the MSME program.
Where, sir? Where in
Tyagaraja Polytechnic, sir. Tyagaraja Polytechnic.
Yeah, I came, sir. Earlier, I used to.
Yes, sir.
Sona College also I came.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sona College. Yes.
Very nice program, sir.
Venkatesh, you are coordinating with Venkatesh. Our students won many times the prizes award by your department.
Very good, sir. Very good, sir. So we are giving lot. You can contact our DAC there, sir. Shivakumar is the GM there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So it's really good.
Now you are in Chennai based, sir, or Salem?
Actually, I'm in Tirupattur GM, sir. Now I'm transferred to Tansim Startup TN.
Okay.
On deputation, I'm joint director, sir.
Where, sir? Chennai.
Chennai, sir. It is in Nandanam CMRL building.
Okay, sir.
So
Okay.
any after innovation they want to start means they can approach us, sir.
Okay, sir.
So,
Thank you very much for joining.
Yes,
Every
sir.
Wednesday we are hosting some. Today is the different area.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Yeah,
sir. All the
okay.
best and Happy New Year, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thanks.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Any further queries from the participants, or shall we get into the conclusion of it? Okay. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, Engineer Vasant Victor, for having given a scenario of medical devices manufacturing in India. Thank you very much. Now, I would like to invite Dr. R. Satish Kumar, Honorary Secretary of IEI Salem Local Center, to propose vote of thanks. Please, sir.
To Arumugam, sir. Very good evening to everyone joined the Senior Talk program today. At the outset, I submit my heartfelt thanks to our chairman, Engineer S. Loganathan, sir, for his support organizing our Engineers Talk series. This year, we do this 109th program on this New Year's Eve. Next, I'm very happy to submit my thanks to our alumni. I'm very proud of Vasant Victor. Thank you very much, Vasant, for sparing your time with us on this New Year Eve. And also, you have shared very starting the manufacturing unit in Salem. Apart from this, you are doing many promotion videos. I'm very happy to see that. Vasant?
Hi, sir. Good evening, sir. Means a lot, sir.
Good evening. Thank you very much for sharing your valuable ideas.
Pleasure to be here, sir.
Yes. Thank you so much. நிறைய பாட்டு சூப்பரா பாடிட்டு இருக்கிறீங்க. Very good. Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Thank you all. And I submit my heartfelt thanks to all the committee members, corporate members, Dr. Bhaskaran sir, for sharing the very useful information to the youngsters, very inspiring thought you insist on manufacturing startups. Thank you very much, sir. I submit my thanks to the Engineers Talk team, Dr. Tangaraju sir, immediate post chairman, Dr. C. Devamani madam, immediate post secretary, Dr. A. Kumaravel sir, N. Arumugam sir, ANR sir, and Senthil Kumar sir, all Engineering Talk teams. And I submit my thanks and I wish you all very happy New Year. Within few hours, we are going to start the 2026. அனைவரும் நலமுடனும் வளமுடனும் பலமுடனும் பாதுகாப்புடனும் 2026 நினைத்த அனைத்து காரியங்களும் அற்புதமாக நிகழ்ந்திட இறைவனை பிரார்த்தித்து அனைவருக்கும் புத்தாண்டு வாழ்த்துக்களை தெரிவித்து மீண்டும் ஒருவன் நன்றி கூறி விடைபெறுகிறேன். நன்றி, வணக்கம். Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Many
Thank you.
thanks, sir. Happy New Year to all. Many
Happy
thanks,
New
sir.
Year.
Sir. Happy New Year to all. Happy New Year, Bhaskaran, sir.
Happy New Year, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you
Sir,
very
Bhaskar
much.
sir, Happy New Year, sir.
Happy New Year, sir.
This is